Hey everyone, this is Billy. I'm a co-founder of SkyKey, and today we are going to walk through where to find and how to use Delta eCredits. So when SkyKey saves you money on a Delta non-refundable ticket that you've already booked, the savings come back in the form of eCredits that you can use to reduce the cost of your next flight. So first step, we're going to look at where to actually find our eCredits. If you have a Delta account, you can log into yours and just follow along. If you don't, that's perfectly okay. And we'll be talking about how you can still use your Delta eCredits even without a Delta Airlines account. Okay, so I'm logged into my demo account, and then I'm going to click this drop down next to my name in the upper right hand corner, and then click Profile. Once we're on our profile, scroll down and look for Certificates, eCredits, and Vouchers, and then click that. Once you've clicked Certificates, eCredits, and Vouchers, you will see any eCredits that you have listed here. If for some reason you don't see your eCredits, look here where it says look up by, and then select certificate or eCredit number. And where it says certificate or eCredit number, click on that and then reference your SkyKey savings email that will look like this. And then scroll down to the eCredit number, double click on the eCredit number, copy it, and then we'll go back to the Delta page and then just paste it in. So we'll paste it. This is not a valid eCredit number. It's just one we're using for demonstration purposes. But assuming your eCredit number is correct, you can just click look up by and search for your eCredit and hopefully pull it in. If for some reason you can't pull in your eCredit, just reach out to us at support@theskykey.com and we're happy to help. Okay, so now we know where to find our eCredit. Let's look at how to actually use our eCredit. So I'm just going to click on this Delta homepage logo, and then we're going to go, say, from JFK to Honolulu, Hawaii to go somewhere warm. And we'll just do a one-way trip, random date. Let's just go April 14th. Perfect. So let's click search. You would just want to enter the actual flight you're trying to book. I'm just using this as an example, but it's the same process. So let's just select the first one that we see. Boom. And then we're going to wait for it to load. And once the trip is finished loading, we can scroll down where it says continue to review and pay and just click on that. And then after we click review and pay, we can scroll down on this page to the third section where it says payment. And this is where we want to pay attention. So in this payment section, we're going to click use eCredits. So click use eCredits. And if you have eCredits in your account, they will show up here. Again, if you don't have eCredits listed for some reason and you think you have valid eCredits, or you don't have an account with Delta Airlines, then you can select this look up by certificate or eCredit number, and then use that eCredit number from the SkyKey email right here. So just copy this and then paste it into that box and then look up. You can also find this eCredit number in emails from Delta Airlines. So once you've looked up your credits and selected the credits that you want to use, I believe you can select 5 per passenger. Yep, that looks about correct, 5 per passenger. So once you have your credits selected, you would just click use eCredits. It's not going to work because I don't have any eCredits in this account. But you will see once your credits are selected that this $418.10 flight price is reduced by the total amount of credits that you have selected. Hopefully this helps, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@theskykey.com. Thanks.